Namaste friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are well. You already read from the title. This video is on eyebrows, yeah. So I'm very excited for this video. But before starting, do like, share, comment and subscribe. And that's it. Continue with the video. So friends, you all know how important eyebrows are. Just imagine yourself without eyebrows. Really terrifying and really funny as well. Eyebrows are really important for us. They give definition and structure to our face and it looks really appealing to people. Also, what you can do if you don't have like naturally thick eyebrows, you will go for like artificial products like eyebrow gels, pencils and powders and all of these. Or one simple thing you can do, it will take time, but that's really effective remedy or natural home remedies you can use to enhance the growth of your hair. That will really help you and you will look good without like any makeup or something like that. So I have told you in this video the one remedy that has worked for me, and also some steps which you have to follow with these remedies to grow your hair faster.
First, take a bowl, then you will need vitamin E capsules. I'm using Evian 400. You can use any vitamin E capsules, and parachute oil. You can add any coconut oil which suits you. A vitamin E capsule, as they improve blood circulations and have antioxidant properties, in coconut oil as it contains lauric acid which has antimicrobial properties. Now the next step is to clean your eyebrows. In this video I haven't applied any product on my eyebrows. Then take the mixture and apply it on both the eyebrows really gently. This is done, then you can go for sleep.
Other than this home remedy, what steps you have to follow is whenever you apply this, just massage your hair very gently for like 15 to 20 seconds. It just improves the blood circulation and that your hair will grow faster. Another thing, do not pluck or like thread or wax your eyebrows for like 3 months. I know it's quite long, but it will take like 1 month for you to see the result and then 3 months for you to get the perfect eyebrows you want. So what you can do, you can use like foundation or concealers to hide like small hair. That is something you can do. And another thing, exfoliate your eyebrows as well, because that will just remove the dead skin and hair will grow again faster. Whenever you scrub your face, like you have to do it like once or twice in a week, not more than that. Another thing which you can do is like eat really healthy and good food. I'm not asking you to follow like very strict diet, but just eat healthy food which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin A, E, that is considered really good, and biotin as well for hair growth. Also comb your hair. You can buy spoolie or like normal comb you can use, or that will be really helpful for the hair to grow faster. Whenever you are like combing your hair, comb your eyebrow hair as well. It will really help you. That just stimulate the hair growth. Also, the most important point and the last point as well, don't take stress. You are good looking, whatever the way you are, whatever eyebrows you have, uh, that's just something you want, not something you need. So be happy in whatever you have, don't take stress. That's it. Until then, bye bye, take care.